Hey friends, Karen Baskett DIYer here. All right, you guys, super exciting news to share with you all today. But first, I want to introduce you to my best friend, my right-hand man, my husband, Mike.
Hey, I'm Mike. Nice to meet everybody. Today is February 10th, 2022, and Karen and I are super excited about a new journey in the Baskett household.
Very excited. So today we're just going to give you a brief look at things. But guys, like he said, big step in our lives, huge undertaking, and we are so excited to share with you. So just stay tuned, follow along, and we are going to take you on this journey. Okay, so here's a little hint for you.
Yeah, a little title and closing company hint. So that'll give you an idea of what's about to take place, or at least give you a little bit more information.
You guys, we bought a farm today. Oh my wow, I cannot even express how excited we are. And now then, we are just going to give you a little walkthrough and tour. And yes, be prepared. This place needs so much work. The previous owners had hopes and dreams and, had life events happen, and those things didn't work out for them. So you are looking at our forever home, or at least we think that it will be our forever home. Lots and lots of work will be going into this place, and we just want to take you guys along on the journey with us. We firmly believe that God has had his hand right in the middle of this whole situation. We've been in negotiations on this property since late October, early November of 2021, and it is finally just falling into place. Totally in God's timing, not ours. We had our own life events happen, grandbaby, the loss of my father-in-law, just lots of fun, crazy, exciting things happened in our life in the last few months, and we didn't have time for this. So perfect timing by God as always. This is not in livable condition. Tons of work to be done, and we are ready to just roll up our sleeves, put our boots on, and dive right in. This is right up our alley. This is the type of stuff we love doing, just flipping things, making them new again, totally restoring them. So we just really look forward to this, and we keep saying it. We want you guys on this journey with us.
So are you guys as overwhelmed as we are right now?
The folks that own this place, they had all these thoughts and visions and excitement, and there was a loss in their family, and it just kind of put everything on hold. And then little by little, things just got out of hand. And so we're excited. I mean, we're excited to not only fulfill the dream, the vision that we have for this place, but also to create some of the memories and some of the aspirations that they had originally when they bought this place. So yeah, we're excited about that part.
We want to be able to bring them back and show them what we've done, and hopefully make them proud as well.
Yeah, it'll be good. So fun stuff.
We plan to do a weekly vlog and just keep you totally updated and informed, and just really hope that you will jump on with us and follow along, subscribe, ring that notification bell. Let us hear from you. Tell us what you're thinking, comment below, and as always, thanks so much for watching.